Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into an essential topic for database lovers. MySQL Joins. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Now, let's get started. In the world of databases, it is common to have data spread across multiple tables. That is where joins come into play. A join is a powerful operation that allows you to combine data from two or more tables based on a related column. There are different types of joins in MySQL, and each serves a unique purpose. Let's break them down. First up, we have the inner join. This join returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. This SQL query joins the student table with the student fee table based on the common column student ID. The result will only include rows where there is a match in the student ID column in both tables. The output will look like this. Now, let's go to Workbench and try an example. You can see over here we have already a students table with column student ID. So, let's create student fee table using create table statement, on which I have video in my channel, and also I have shared link in description box. I am creating a table, student fee, with columns fee ID as primary key, student ID as foreign key. This column have relation with student ID in students table. Then fee amount and fee year. And finally add foreign key constraint and execute query. Refresh it and make sure student fee table is created with student ID column. Now let's insert fee detail data in student fee table using insert statement. To understand more on insert, update, delete statement, you can refer my another video. I have shared link in description. Okay, I will execute this insert statement and do copy paste for another row and change just student ID. Now run select statement to make sure whether two rows are inserted. Now we are ready to write our first inner join statement between these two tables. Inner join query retrieves all rows from the students table and the student fee table, where the student ID column in both tables matches. Select statement selects all columns from the result set. From students, specifies the first table involved in the query, which is students. Inner join student fee indicates that you are performing an inner join with the student fee table. On students.studentID is equal to student fee.studentID, this is the join condition. It specifies that the rows should be matched based on the student ID column, where the student ID in the students table should be equal to the student ID in the student fee table. You can see we have combined result set from both tables. You can also specify only columns those you want to select in this way. We can use alias instead of repeating table name. While selecting each columns, we will cover up this topic in coming videos. Let's execute and check. Yes, we have only selected columns in result set. Next, we have the left join. It returns all rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. In the context of the students and student fee tables, the left join or left outer join retrieves all records from the left table, students, and the matched records from the right table, student fee. Let's take a look at a practical scenario. Before writing left join query, check students and student fee tables. We have two students rows, John and Maria in student table, one row as fee detail of John in student fee table. Now, let's write a left join statement which is very similar to inner join and check what left join returns. This is similar to inner join. We will just replace inner join with left join. Execute the query. You can see over here we have both rows from left table, that is students table, and only fee detail of John. Now again replace left join with inner join. You will see it will return only one row that has matching student ID in both table. This was simple left join. Moving on to the right join. This join returns all rows from the right table and the matched rows from the left table. Let me show you how it works with a real-world example. Now, what I am doing is replacing left join with right join. Let's execute the query and check the result. You can see that both rows from student fee table are selected and a row with matching student ID is selected from both table. That's all for this video. We will cover more types of joins in coming video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel.